Today, we're diving into the world of fractions and learning how to multiply them. It might sound a bit complex, but don't worry, I'll break it down for you step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Understand the basics. Before we dive into multiplication, let's quickly review the basics of fractions. A fraction is a way of representing parts of a whole. We have a numerator, the top number, and a denominator, the bottom number. Step 2. The rule of multiplication. When it comes to multiplying fractions, it's a straightforward process. You simply multiply the numerators together to get the new numerator and the denominators together to get the new denominator. It's like multiplying a cross. Step 3. Multiplying whole numbers and fractions. Let's start with a simple example. If you have a whole number and a fraction, say 2 times 1/3, you just multiply the whole number by the numerator. Step 4. Multiplying fractions only. Now, let's move on to multiplying two fractions. Take 2/3 times 3/4, and remember to multiply numerators and denominators separately. Step 5. Simplify the result. After multiplying, it's a good practice to simplify the result. If there's a common factor between the numerator and denominator, divide both by that factor. Step 6. Multiplying mixed numbers. Lastly, let's tackle multiplying mixed numbers. For example, one whole number, 1/2 times 2/3. Convert the mixed number to an improper fraction, then proceed with multiplication. And there you have it. Multiplying fractions may seem tricky at first, but with a bit of practice, it becomes second nature. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more math tips, and let me know in the comments what other topics you'd like to see covered. Until next time, happy multiplying!